Hi everyone, on behalf of Group 5, I am presenting our Calming Kit. A calming kit is a collection of items assembled in a box or bin that children can access to self regulate when they feel overwhelmed, need assistance in processing big emotion, or take a break if needed. The first item in the kit is a towel teddy bear. Stuffed toys serve as effective calming tools for preschoolers in daycare by offering comfort, security, and opportunities for imaginative play, positively influencing children's behavior. They provide emotional stability, reduce anxiety, and foster a sense of calmness. The second item is the I Spy bottle, which is a sensory bottle filled with various materials that can stimulate different areas of child's brain and engage their senses. Calming bottles serves as excellent tools for promoting relaxation, inviting positive emotions in children, and providing a moment of enjoyment to relieve their tensions. The third item is companion pets, which provide children with safety, security, and a sense of responsibility. They can act as a companion in the classroom, offering comfort, friendship, and a way for children to practice the importance of taking care of a pet. The fourth item is the scratch and sniff dots, which help children relax and unwind by providing familiar scents that bring comfort and familiarity, allowing them to calm themselves down and take a breather. The fifth item is the sensory fidget bottle, which provides comforting sensory experience, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety or restlessness. It also includes fidget tools like buttons to help regulate emotions and improve concentration. The last item is a sensory tool like play balls and glitter play-doh, which offer outlets for emotional expression and physical release, guiding children to manage emotion constructively and develop self-regulation skills. In conclusion, a thoughtfully curated calming kit can empower children to navigate their emotions effectively and cultivate a sense of resilience and well-being. Thank you for listening!